Hi and welcome back to the lab. Today I am experimenting with new camera angle and lighting, so sorry if it doesn't work out. I'll be adding this BKS padlock to my open padlock collection. So this is just 4-pin with quite open keyway, but it has security pins inside. Spools may be serrated, and I believe that this fourth one is 0 lift, so basically only 3 pin lock, and it's easily overset. It's so sensitive. So let's see if we can get it open. Okay, medium tension. One is binding. Okay. Slight click of the 3. Okay, that was one with slight counter rotation. Okay, just touched number 2. 3. I shouldn't go deep inside not to disturb the fourth one. Counter rotation on 2. Okay. And just touch on 1 and we got it open. So it's pretty hard to open actually, if you don't know the trick that you shouldn't touch the fourth pin. Interesting thing is that it has a key retaining feature which doesn't allow me to put the key in, so let me just unlock it so the key stays inside, and I'll be adding it to the collection upstairs. Okay, it is growing slowly but surely. Okay, hope you like this one, and I'll see you next one. Bye.